American startup Wright Electric has begun testing 2 megawatts electric motors for passenger aircraft, which could potentially be used to create the first generation of electric aircraft. The current engine has a power of 2 megawatts, equivalent to 2,700 horsepower, with an efficiency of about 10 kW per kg. This is the most powerful engine developed for the aerospace industry, and it is significantly lighter, Wright notes. The engine is designed with the possibility of scaling for systems from 500 kilowatts to 4 megawatts. Wright is working on his own aircraft in cooperation with well-known manufacturers. The first airliner will be a hybrid, combining an electric power plant with a liquid fuel engine. Several electric motors will be attached to each wing of the proposed aircraft, which will provide at least 2 advantages. First, an aircraft with 6 or 8 engines is less prone to the risk of their failure. Second, more engines will result in lower levels of turbulence and noise, as the configuration can be adjusted depending on the conditions overboard. The startup itself will use 10 2 megawatts engines on its Wright 1 aircraft. That's a total of 20 megawatts, putting the plane on a par with the Airbus A320 airliner. The Wright engine undergoes laboratory tests only at sea level. It is scheduled to be launched next year in an altitude simulation chamber, and then to a real altitude of up to 7.5 miles.